How to install the ADS long-range depth sensor. The installation of the long-range depth sensor involves installing the mounting bar in the manhole frame and attaching the long-range depth sensor to it. It installs in minutes without the need for tools, and you do not have to descend the manhole. Manhole and sewer system work involves confined space entry and is inherently dangerous. Therefore, installers and technicians should comply with all federal, state, and municipal regulations concerning confined space entry. The two parts used in the installation include the mounting bar with its attached tether and the long-range depth sensor with its integrated magnetic submersion sensor and the monitor cable connector. The long-range depth sensor is only supported by the ADS Triton Plus flow monitor. Before beginning the installation of the long-range depth sensor, measure the manhole depth using a grade pole. Measure from the top of the manhole frame to the center of the invert. Record this manhole depth value. It is important to tether the mounting bar so the bar and sensor cannot be dropped into the manhole. Start by hanging the large loop from the mounting bar tether behind the top rung. Then use a J-hook to pull the large loop under the rung and pull the large loop up towards you. Finally, pass the untethered end of the mounting bar through the large loop, tying the bar to the rung. Begin the installation of the mounting bar by turning the knob to extend the bar to just short of the manhole frame walls. Lower the bar into the manhole and position the bar so that it is in line and over the manhole invert. The bar should be installed sufficiently below the street surface to ensure that the manhole lid will not knock the bar when opened. Gradually tighten the knob while referencing the bubble level on the mounting bar. It is important that the bar provide a level mounting surface for the sensor. Test the mounting bar tension to be sure that the bar will not move, shift, or fall. Once the mounting bar is installed, attach the long-range depth sensor to it. Loosen the thumb screw and open the sensor bracket. Hold the sensor under the bar and position the hinge over the bar and under the thumb screw. Tighten the thumb screw to secure the sensor to the mounting bar. Make sure the bubble levels on both the mounting bar and long-range depth sensor remain centered. Now attach the magnetic submersion sensor to the manhole frame. Place the submersion sensor as close to the top of the frame as possible so there is very little distance between it and street level. Orient the sensor so its cable is hanging from the bottom of the sensor. Now that the long-range depth sensor has been installed, measure the physical offset. Place a tethered level or other flat, rigid item over the manhole frame. Place your fingers under the bottom edge of the sensor and place a carpenter's ruler on your fingers so that the edge of the sensor and the end of the carpenter's ruler are the same. Read the ruler measurement at the point where the ruler crosses the bottom of the rigid object over the manhole frame. Record this physical offset value. To complete the installation, connect the sensor to the Triton Plus monitor. Activate the monitor with the ADS QStart software. Secure the monitor in the manhole and neatly coil and secure the sensor cables so that they will not interfere with sensor readings. For more information on the long-range depth sensor, refer to the ADS Triton Plus Operation and Maintenance Manual or contact ADS Client Services.